What if I told you you can see other smartphone screen in your phone itself? Like you can spy on their smartphone, what they're doing and what they're actually visiting the websites or what they're actually doing in WhatsApp, Instagram. Would you believe me? No, right? Hey, what's up YouTube? Rahul here, back with an interesting video. In this video, we'll see how to see other smartphone screen in your smartphone. Well, is it possible? Are there any restrictions? So we'll see in this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, please note this point that this video is clearly not to take over someone's privacy, but this is to help you during presentations and similar kind of things. You might have heard about this app called TeamViewer. We usually use it in laptops or PCs to connect to our friend's laptop and show how the things work, or if he doesn't know how to do it, we can help him that way. The same app is available in Android. So what you need to do is download this app called TeamViewer in one smartphone, and in the main smartphone from where you have to cast, in that smartphone you have to download this app called TeamViewer Quick Support. Now once all this is ready, now note that the Quick Support app should be downloaded in the host smartphone, and the TeamViewer normal app, the remote control app, should be downloaded in another smartphone or another tab. In my case, I'm using my tab. So after downloading this Quick Support app, you'll get this ID after some time. So after getting this ID, please don't share it with anyone because you'll lose your privacy. So just download the TeamViewer app, the remote control app, in another smartphone and enter this ID. So I've already entered the ID, and here's a demonstration on how it looks. The quality is not exactly the same because my smartphone has a OLED display and things are very crisp and clear, whereas in case of my tab it is a 720p LCD panel. Also it is shared via internet, so the quality will be reduced too much. It may be around 240 to 360p, not more than that. I hope you guys like this quick video. And also again I want to tell that point, this video is clearly not to take over someone's privacy. To take over privacies like that, there are other kinds of apps which I don't want to talk in this channel. So that was pretty much everything about it. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.